Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you will like my videos, and I'll try to help you on your way in the investing world. And today's question is about Forex trading. Is Forex a good investment? I've been asked this question and I would like to answer it for you. Without going into too much of detail, to keep it simple and clear, Forex trading can be pretty good investment if you compare it to trading in stocks. The advantage of Forex investment is that the trader is using a leverage. Trading in stocks can be done by trading options and use leverage that way. But those contracts will eventually expire, so you have a little time frame to work within, and if you go beyond that time frame, the contract that you have in options that has no value anymore. So the option expires and your money is gone, basically, if you do not have profit on the option itself. So Forex does not have to look for a buyer. That's an advantage to take your position out. Any trader can actually close the trade during trading hours. For investors, Forex is a good way to make a nice return on investment, although it has some risks. As always, it's good to find a good manager or to do it yourself, but you have to know what you're doing. Suggestion might be to use Forex investment as a way to fund your other investments, so that's something to keep in mind. But overall, Forex trading is very nice, as it has a leverage that you can work with. So if you have a leverage of 1/400, for example, then it actually means that you will have $400 to trade for every dollar you invest. So that can be very helpful, and the exchange rate that you will receive is over $400 instead of just one. So that's a big advantage. I hope that helps you a little bit. I'm very new to making videos about Forex trading and investments. So please bear with me as I'm trying to learn and make some nice videos for you. And well, I'm not an expert, as you can see. I'll try to improve my videos and see if you can have some benefit with that. And the information is what counts for me. I'm not a video expert, as I said, but the information is valuable, and I hope you will be able to take the information and make it work for you. So whatever questions you have, please post them in the comments below. Please subscribe to my videos and click that bell, whatever that bell is. You know what to do with it. You get a message when there's a new video coming online, and hopefully my future videos will be a lot better than this one is. But it's more like an introduction, so let's see what we have here, and I hope you will enjoy getting some answers on your questions. That's basically what I'm doing this for. So let's see what we will get, and yeah, okay, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, please, and well, if you look in my links below, you can actually see if there's a way you can support me as well. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer all your questions about Forex trading, and let's go with that. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.